is important. Let me share my screen. I hope you can see a screen. AWS. Oh, 1 second. Okay, so recording is also pending, right? So let me start recording too.
Recording in progress.
So login. Okay. You see, right? I have set to load balancer from global search. Okay, and also whenever you are so there is actually EC2 instance related navigation. So in that navigation itself, in the bottom you could see that load balancer.
Load balance.
Okay, in that you can able to find out this. Okay, so you can able to find out from the global search itself and from here itself. Okay, so we are going to launch 2 instances. Okay, because should be
We need to know
yeah,
the distribution of load balancing. So that's
exactly. Yeah. Right. So yep. So this is one kind of web server for suppose. Right, web. This is, just imagine, this is a kind of website. We are going to launch here. We are going to keep one website here, or web server you can call. Okay, you can say this is one. This is also it is instance actually, and this you can say this is Google one. We will keep here in Google one. Okay, one second. Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah. Right.
This load balancer, does it work with the different regions or availability zones? Maybe availability zones it might work, but does it work in different regions if servers are in different regions?
Yeah. This is really good question, but we are going deep actually. So if I say everything first only, so you
Oh,
are
okay,
going to
okay, okay.
see it, right?
Oh,
So
okay.
we will discuss there, no problem. So there
No,
is
because I
actually
saw the Stockholm over there and the other one which you will be copying.
actually there will be uh, load balancer distribution will be there in between region to region, available to zone to available to zone, and
Mm-hmm.
it between weightage there are different types of so not here actually in the load balancer it won't get, actually it will be this topic whatever you have asked, that topic is related to routing. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Route 53 will be there, one separate topic is there, route 53. In that
Mm-hmm.
that will be covered. It is related to load
Okay.
balancer only, but not here. In route 53,
Okay.
in route 53 it will be covered. So we will bifurcate the distribution, load balancer
That's one
distribution
kind of
into,
instance, right? Route 53.
it's a service. Okay, it's a
Service,
service.
service. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Mm-hmm.
it's related to it will, we will create the domains, DNS
Okay.
names. Okay, domains, we will create the
Mm-hmm.
domains like www.google.com, right? Such kind of example,
Okay, okay.
LK
Mm-hmm.
Cloud Tech. So one for suppose this is one website. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is one website, we are create such kind of websites we can create. Okay,
Okay.
so
Mm-hmm.
that domains, the domains we can create, and DNS we can create by taking help of this route 53. It's like, it's nothing but GoDaddy.
Yeah.
Have you heard about this?
Code I know.
Hostinger, Hostinger.
Mm-hmm.
No problem,
No.
just you can keep it in mind in this. So we can create
Okay.
the, we can maintain websites domains by taking help of this only.
Okay.
GoDaddy, Hostinger, there are a lot many. Okay, so these are all most popular. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so
Mm-hmm.
so same way, however, Ghost Hostinger and GoDaddy both were doing the same task, that will be doing by route 53. It is internal service of Amazon. Okay, these are all external services, external services you can say. And this is
Okay.
Hostinger is external, this is external, and this is internal service. Whatever GoDaddy does, the same will be done by Amazon route 53. The whatever Hostinger is has done, whatever it has it does, the same will be done by Amazon route 53. That is kind of, in that it will will also concept called load balancer. So at that time we will distribute the traffic in between in different ways, like weight over routing policy. Okay, classic routing policy, and regional routing policy, like that. At that time internally load balancer can distribute the traffic. That is completely different topic.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So if you understood this load balancer here in initial level, then you can able to understand there.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, I'm drawing a picture here, something, right? This is website 1, and this is I don't want this, we are going to create in one region only. I'll keep here this is website 2 or server 2. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so this is Google 2. Two instances we are launching, that means, and this is Google 1. Okay, this is load balancer. This is symbol of load balancer. Okay, Okay, distributing traffic like this. We'll keep like this also, no problem. Okay, that's fine. Let's create one load balancer. Let me go to here, load balancer. Oh, in the same page I have says route 53. That's fine. So click on load balancers. Let's create one load balancer. Create load balancer. Okay, first of all, before creating this, I need to have two servers. Let me cross check that. EC2 instances. Okay, 1 and 2 I'll keep, and remaining I'll delete. So do you remember the steps HTTPD installation?
Mm-hmm. So you go login first.
Yeah. First server connect.
Go to the root.
Yeah. Next I will answer one more. Two servers we have, right?
Yeah.
Key is same but two different servers.
Mm-hmm. you check the
Why? Anything happen? Same key. What happened? Let me check. Okay, let me try again. The login as user, EC2-user rather than the root user. Okay, that's fine, but you need to open it, right? At least. Session stopped.
oh,
Something going on. Maybe I need to check the volumes for this. I don't know whether this volume is there or not. Let me go to instances, storage. Okay, volume is there. That's
volume
fine.
is attached here. 8
And for this also, it is there. And why it is not connecting? Let me check. Public subnet, private subnet, networking. Also fine, looks good, but why?
okay. Okay.
So again here also same problem. The login as the user,
Maybe
EC2-user.
in the other instance you are in the root. If you come back from their root.
Hmm? No. Wait 1 second. Yes. Let's see what is the issue exactly. We need to troubleshoot, right?
Mm-hmm.
It is very common issue. Nothing is broken. Let's decode the fix it. Okay, this is fine. Okay,
You must SSH using the default OS user.
I used EC2-user also. Okay.
Okay.
So
Now
what
it's
was,
connected.
now you see both SSH-A, just need to compare.
Mm-hmm.
Same, look same. Yeah, instead here
Oh
root.
yeah, root.
Yeah, instead
Mm-hmm.
here root, they are asking EC2-user. So what we are giving
Mm-hmm.
here actually in this root is showing, but is
Mm.
root is not allowed here actually. They are saying that it was saying since a long time it is EC2-user. That's
Okay,
it.
okay.
Yeah. So from here, instead of root we should keep EC2, nothing else.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
done. So where is that? This one, right? Let
Mm-hmm.
me take from here. I want this only, that's why.
You want mobile external.
Mm. Okay. Yes. Okay, and this. Okay, this is server 1. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this is server 2. Okay, all right. All right. So we have two servers ready. So what we have to do now? We have to
You wanna check the service?
what
HTTP service.
we have to, no, we don't have that, right? So in this it is service
So mm-hmm.
httpd status, so nothing is there.
So you need to install update first.
So we don't have that also in this, both we don't have a server first. Okay, so we
Mm.
have to do that, we have to configure the server. Okay, next first what is the command?
Update
update -y.
-y.
Maybe let me do one thing, I don't want to waste your time, it's very precious, right?
That's okay. I'll get to know again and again.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try to why it is disturbing me. Okay, next enter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's
And
good.
that's good.
So I'll check cat etc cat where
War
www
HTTP
html,
HTML.
nothing is there. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
what we have to do, we have to install install server httpd.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, -y means yes, permissions. install
Yeah.
httpd -y. Okay, next now
Now
can
you
we
have to
check?
start it. Mm-hmm.
Can we check now?
Service
Service
status HTTP
httpd status.
status. Mm-hmm.
Spelling wrong.
Yeah, service spelling wrong. VIC, yeah.
So it is
Dead, inactive. So you need to start
yes.
service HTTP start.
right?
Let me check the service again.
1 second. Okay, that's fine, it's working. Now let's try to check. I have even more spaces. This is working, active. Next, then run, right? Two servers are working currently, right? So which is servers are ready. Okay, 1 second. Okay, that's fine. Next, we'll keep let's keep cd where triple w
HTML.
html ls, right? We have to keep something, right?
Create index file.
Yeah, I'll use just echo. What's that? I'll keep what according to our diagram, what I mentioned, Google one. Okay, now I don't want to use
Exclude server 2.
yeah, so I'll keep here Google one. Okay, this is Google one, and you have to use greater than index.html. okay,
What is
the
that for?
same, that is index.html is file, execution file, that is.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Insert that you. Okay.
Yeah, inside that only you have to keep the content that. Okay,
Okay.
index.html. Okay, now that's fine, right? Okay, done. ls. Okay, next vi, right? Let me exclude this. You kept here already, Google 1 and Google 2, that's fine. Now control X. 1 second, it's not control will not work.
Yeah, it's a VI, right? So WQ.
And this also. Okay, done. Alright, now some small server setup ready. Okay, so in all the servers, both servers, we need to check what is HTTP port. We need to check with the HTTP to port. So I already opened for second just before. Okay, now let's check with the server 1, HTTP port is there or not. HTTP request need to get, right?
Yeah.
So that is the reason we need to enable the port number 80. So we don't have a HTTP port. Let's add rule HTTP. Okay, 80. Oh, that's fine. Save. Now everything well and good. All both are ready. Now we need to create a load balancer, because we need to distribute the traffic in between two different servers. Okay, this is server 1 and this is server 2.
Yeah.
This is server 2. Right, that's good. So come here, where is that load balancer? Yeah, here. Yeah, you can see here.
1 second, I will be right back. Some alarm is going on.
Okay, go ahead.
Lokesh,
Yes, are you back?
I'm back.
Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
So earlier, actually, for small servers, so we used to use this classic load balancer.
Mhm.
Okay, but if it is a small and for practical purpose, we can practice on top of this. Okay,
Okay.
and you can use this also application related. Okay, if it is a big application like Lambda, such kind.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
so let's create on classic load balancer. Okay, big companies will deal with this application load balancer. Okay, and if it is
Mhm.
network related, network load balancer, you see choose network load balancer when you need ultra high performance
Like
TLS
gaming and
offloading.
stuff. Is
Yeah,
that right? Mhm.
that is very big level, not small level. We
Yeah.
can't even create here. Okay, next to
Mm.
gateway load balancer. Okay, when you need deploy the manage and fleet third party virtual applications. Third
Mm.
party applications we can use gateway. Network
Okay.
big applications we can use by taking help of network load balancer. Okay, support of UDP deployment, centralized certificate deployments, like okay,
Yes.
VPCs, like entire VPCs all. So choose network load balancer, then you need ultra high performance
Mm.
TLS offloading at scale, centralized certificate deployment, support for UDP, and static IP addresses for your applications operating at the connection level. Network load balancers are capable of handling millions of requests per second securely while maintaining ultra low latency. Means it is very fast, no buffering will happen. You
Okay.
could not experience single fraction of second buffering also. There is
Mm.
low latency, very low latency. If you have a very low latency means your performance will be high.
Mm.
So here choose application load balancer when you need flexible features set for your application HTTP and HTTPS traffic. We don't have a HTTPS, that's why I'm not using this. Okay,
Okay.
understood. We don't have HTTPS like this. I don't have any that much big servers.
Big servers.
Okay,
Yeah.
this like this HTTPS, I don't have any security for my server, so that's why I'm using just simple a small kind of certificate. Like I'll
Mm.
use like this with HTTP, just simple. For classic we can use classic load balancer. Okay, okay, what is a
Mhm.
load balancer name? We can give load balancer name here. Yeah. mm, what is that load balancer? One I can keep, right? So scheme, this is for server internet facing traffic has public IP address, DNS name resolves to public IP, requires public subnet. Okay, it is servers serves internal traffic. Okay, has provide private IP, it's okay, not required. Okay, we are going to deal with the public IP address. And VPC I'm keeping my own. If you want you can keep your VPC, but just I'm keeping it normally. And you see availability zone, you must need to select one availability zone B, availability zone C. We are mentioning 3 availability zones, which means high available. If something
Okay.
happens to this, automatically other availability zone will be helpful to you. Okay, now
Mhm.
security groups. What are the security groups? Security groups I'll keep it as default. And
Okay.
HTTP, we don't have any HTTPS, so I'm keeping the listening port for your server is 80 so far. But
Okay.
in your projects 80 will not be useful. Your project you will use 443. Okay, 443
Okay.
means it is HTTPS port. Okay, the request will listen to the 443 because your server is secure, right? Okay.
So it's HTTPS.
Why I have created index.html in this? It's default ping path.
Ping path. Okay.
Okay. So now I need to add here two instances. Come on, see here, server 1 and server 2. Both are I need to distribute the traffic in between server 1 and server 2. Clear? Confirm. Okay. Next to timeout. Okay, so whenever you open your system, is it within fraction of seconds it will take to open? Is it happens in your system, local system? How many seconds it will take to open? Does it take fraction of seconds? Some seconds it will take, right? Minimum for booting purpose. Minimum. At least it should be load the application. So for that purpose we can keep here the time. Okay, the maximum time of load balancer allow existing connection to complete. It will connect, right? It should connect, right? At least two servers you have, some XYZ servers you have. If you want to connect, at least you need to give some space, right? This is not a god, right? This is also a machine, so you can keep 150 something kind of, right? So it will take minimum some seconds, right? So you need to allow some breathing space for load balancer. So for that, okay, if you want you can give the tags, and next, that's it. The load balancer will get created. Okay. Right, so we are going to attach, we just open whether somebody is reaching out, whether somebody is working, how the company is working, how. Okay, for that, so we are following one mechanism, that is people what they say, they are asking us to create some file, one file, create one file, they are asking us to create one more file. So you are going to create files. You can give file, you can give input. Okay, so we create a physical file in the web server. Okay, that file may be some obligation. You create a physical you create some physical file in the web server, that file name, and what happened from you, it go to the web server, and first it will go to the web server and verify whether the file is there or not. Okay, the file is as long as you can locate that file, the traffic, the movement. If you don't find the file, okay, then it's like actually it checks the service file, load pass. So this, whatever you are doing some task, whatever task you are searching file, sorting file here and there, you are doing something, so it should bear, right? So it should wait. Okay, this is small server, so it should load the server, correct? It will look whether the particular file is available or not, right? So then for suppose there is a file, that file is there or not, it should look. Okay, so then for that also it will take a time. Okay, so what that file means, it loads the map to going to the request to the inside of the server. It checks the file, it is going inside the server. It means somebody is working fine. Okay, that kind of indirect mechanism we are actually using, check whether it is fine or not. Okay, so so request, how it should be, user will be there first here, some user, XYZ user is there here, user request come here. Okay, first initially, right? So after that, load balancer will check. First of all, whatever file he is looking. Okay, for example, if it is google.com, it will check. So where it will go, whatever it is healthy, whatever it is available first.
Available first,
Okay, it will go here. Whatever you are checking, the file also should be there, right? You are searching file, that should be available first. If it is available, that will, the response will get back to you. Okay, so it is called some communication. This communication should happen. Okay, so what happens is, actually first the request come here. Okay, next whenever the load balancer takes the user's request, second immediately it will come to the first where it comes, it will check with the inbound rule first. Okay, inbound rule is 80. Sorry, yeah, 80. Yes, we have given 80. So after that it will allow 8. With the 80 it will enter inside, and after that outgoing will be there, right? Which means outbound rule, that should be open with the 80 automatically. So then the request, we did not open actually outbound rule, because by default outbound rules will be all open.
Always open.
All open. All open. If you want to block, you can
Unless
block.
you give something specifically.
Yeah, so which means so here with the help of ports, it will enter inside and it will sets the files. Okay, whatever file is there, that will also take time, right? So it will for example, if it is a google related or .com or something, fetching files or some lot of data might be there, so like that it will search, and after that it will go to this again response back to the load balancer. Again through load balancer the user get the information. So like that. Okay, so let us create first. Create load balancer. Load balancer got created. You can check the load balancer here. Yes, load balancer is here.
3 availability zones you have given.
Yeah.
State is 0.
So this complete theory we already discussed in, correct? Already yesterday.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So
what is the status 0 of 2 instances in service? So
where? So it's not yet ready. So we need to refresh.
Not yet. Okay.
2 instances, status is 0. 2 instances attached, but it is not yet ready. Classic. Yes, you see now.
No, it's okay.
So now go to the where is that? EC2. Yeah, EC2 is here. Instance, correct? So it doesn't matter IP right now. So where is server 1? I'll take first.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Where is load balancer? Yeah, here is load balancer. Yeah. So we don't talk about this IP addresses. Where is that? Load balancers. Still loading. Okay. Okay. Now you click on this here. Somewhere you will find the load balancer. DNS name. This is the one.
DNS name.
Right. Yeah. This is the one. Copy this. Let me hide this. Paste here. It will take initially time. It will take some time. It will take time, no doubt. So while you are practicing, don't worry. Don't bother why it is not getting like that.
Okay. Because it has to get connected and all that stuff. It takes some time. Checking the load balancing. Kapil Dev backs Pakistani players play.
Oh my god, how much time it will take? Small server.
Maybe we should have taken the load balance in the second one.
What is
Uh
this?
oh, too long to respond.
Firewall. No, no, it will take time. It doesn't matter. I know. This is a load balancer, and you just refreshed. It is already available. The zone is there. DNS name is available. Okay. If the server not responding or not working, also it will be problem. Okay. You always need to check with the server. Service, always typo mistake. HTTPD status. No, it's not there.
Oh, why?
Service HTTPD status active. That's good. What about this? Oh, it's not there. So only one server is there. That's fine. And server 2 is not there. Okay, I'll open server 2 also.
Why server 2 didn't open? Should be there,
Automatically
no?
disconnected it.
Oh,
Let
the
me take
connection was interrupted.
instances. Server 1 is fine. Server 2. Okay, connect. Or else we can do it one more thing. You can directly connect here from EC2 hyphen USER user.
No, TUS.
It's running fine.
Keep running again.
So now why it is not taking? Okay, let me copy this.
You wanna check the ports again?
Yeah, ports HTTP is there. I'll check with HTTPS.
Take that with hot water, not cold, okay? Yeah, take it. You wanna take here or in my room? Okay.
This much time will not take. Already whatever expected time is completed. Okay, let's open load balancer. So health checks I'll check. Advanced health checks, index.html fine. So responsive time 2 seconds. After that interval 2, I'll take how much? 5 enough. 2 is okay. So first response that EC2, it will first for 2 seconds it will ask, okay, 2 to 60 seconds. It must be less than, it is in between 2 to 60 seconds. First it will wait for 2 seconds. Okay, next interval. So amount of time between health checks it's sent to EC2 instances. Okay, 5 to 300 seconds must be greater than this much only. Okay, first next interval, second interval. For example, there is a guy inside a class. For example, maybe sir is teaching something. Okay, he was sleeping at the moment. He will ask, hey X, you just wake up. He will just warn, right? Start. He will call. Okay, whenever he calls, still he won't respond, suppose. Then what happens? He will throw a chalk piece or duster, whatever. Correct? Which means second time. Second time, whenever it's he won't call, whenever he won't respond, or else I will take one more example. There is a guy, he is sleeping in a class. He is actually taking attendance. Suppose his name is some XYZ, Sampath. Okay, he will call Sampath. He won't respond. He will wait for 2 seconds, right? He will wait for 2 seconds. Then after again he will call. Okay, after calling him, he won't respond in the sense this many times. How many? 5 intervals. 5 times he will call. After that he will decide that he might not be there. Okay.
Okay.
Again after that, yeah, he will decide that okay, he is dead. I mean dead in the sense He's
He's
not
not in
available,
the class,
not
maybe.
in the class, and
Not
he will put
available,
in
yeah.
absent. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's how
Yeah.
these kind of, in the sense, first it will check with the EC2 is there or not. In the
Mm-hmm.
EC2, what it will be there, server will be there. It will wait for 2
Yeah.
seconds. After that, second interval. Okay, so in it will wait for 5 seconds. Okay, if no
Mm-hmm.
response, it is unhealthy.
Unhealthy. Okay.
Okay, so that's how these response advanced health checks, these responses will useful.
Yeah.
Okay, unhealthy threshold, this is, it will decide that this after two times. Okay, it will decide so and so server got dead. You asked me yesterday question how it is, how load balancer will decide that it is dead, right? So this
Yeah.
it will
Mm-hmm.
check with this only,
Okay. 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 Okay.
always.
Got it.
Okay, it will check with this, and after that it will decide, oh, so and so has dead, something kind of.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, always load balancer will check with that only. Now let me check load balancer. First time I am facing this. Oh, what is this? Why it is not happening? True instances are in service. Okay, listeners, let me check. Listeners is 80. Security policy. Manage listeners. Let me check. HTTP only. That's good. EC2. I'll check outbound rules. Instances. Server 1. Security. Okay, 1 second. I'll first check whether it is working here individually. It's working, see, which means there is an issue with the load balancer only.
Load balance.
So let me check here then. Okay, so no doubt about this. There is no doubt about outbound also now. Okay, I'm okay with it.
Check the second server also just to make
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, so at least one should be respond, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah, that's true.
it's working. Yeah, it's working.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is an issue with the load balancer. It is
Load
fully
balance.
confirmed. Okay, let me delete this. Confirm. Okay, let's create a load balancer. Okay, which means I'm not going to use classic now. Okay, load balancer. I'll keep a hyphen. And this is for IP address type. This is for 1 second. Internal. One second. Okay, I'll check with this first. 1 second. Default VPC I'm keeping. Also availability zone 2 and 3. Security groups. Did we create any security group? Only default, right? We created. Yes. Target group. Routing actions, URL. No, forward target groups. No, I don't have HTTP. Okay, that's it. Default. That's fine. Listener, add listeners. Port 80. It's okay. HTTP port 80. Okay. We don't have all this stuff. Let me try now. Create a load balancer, and it is asking something. I don't want to use this. Simple. I'll keep without space. And this hyphen will work. Actually, after load balancer, I mentioned space. That's the problem. You see, it's taking. Now mandatory fields. It's not taking port 80. Okay. You may have duplicate ports defined. Okay. Okay. 81 is taking. What is target group? I don't have a target group so far. Why
Yeah,
is
you
showing?
said.
So we need to add target group. I don't have target groups.
Look the drop down list. Maybe let's see
No,
if there
nothing
is
is
some.
there here. I don't have any target groups. Okay.
Return fixed response. Maybe yeah.
Port number 81.
Mm-hmm.
I think actually HTTP is not there. HTTP we have, right? So HTTP port should be 80. Why it's not taking? You may not have duplicate port defined.
To prevent a continuous loop, we must charge something.
Okay, so let's see now. Let me try. It will again redirect there. Yeah, I don't have a target group. Add target group. If I want to add target group again, it is asking drop down. I don't have a drop down also, so no use this.
What about the turn on target group stickiness?
Where
Select that under yeah. What will
something
happen?
is showing?
Something else. Okay, that's not the one.
That's why classic load balancer, actually we don't have all this stuff. Okay, we are not yet ready with all this stuff. So let us start with the only basic, which is classic load balancer. Let's create one more time. Load balancer 1. That's it. Security and availability zones here, and again we try with the same default, and this is listening port is 80 HTTP. That's good.
That's good. Okay.
HTTP only, same. And here you are diverting traffic in between two different servers. Is like this. Enter. That's good. What is this? How much we can keep?
Just put 150. Go with the default only because already those two are open only now.
Yeah, 300. Let's keep. That's it. Load balancer creating. It will create.
Successfully created.
So it's nothing more than this actually. This is that much we have done well. This much only. So 0 not yet ready. Okay. Okay.
Got it.
Not yet. HTTP only, right?
Mm-hmm.
No response. If it won't come, I'll get back to you. I need to check first. Nothing much actually. This is only why it is not some proxy firewall getting. Check your internet connection.
But you were able to.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll share with you. Can you check once?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Where is it?
Chat.
Where is chat? Here. Can you check from your side?
Yeah, I'm opening.
Load balancer only is not able to take this. This is what only steps. What else more?
So this go.
Target groups.
Okay.
LB-TG1 default HTTP.
It's still going on, not that.
Okay. Load balancers. In this load balancer, subnets, manage instance, health checks, manage listeners, security group, edit load balance attributes.
This site doesn't. Okay. Jupiter? Yeah. Come here. Did you dry your hair? No, it didn't. Go dry more.
Balancer.
If you go outside, it will get cold. Okay?
Two.
Just dry.
Configuration. Yeah. Let's do one thing. I'll create one more. Okay.
Yeah. I'm also getting the same response.
Okay, then we'll try with this then. Okay, so next target group I'll mention. Okay, and load balancer, that's okay. Let's see, create load balancer. So this is load balancer 2, this is load balancer 2. Let us wait until it gets started. The status is not showing anywhere, you see. So here it is showing provisioning, that's fine, but for load balancer 1 no response yet. So that's why classic might be deprecated, I guess. So while we are creating a load balancer, it is recommended. You see this previous generation.
Yeah.
This is previous generation, classic load balancer previous generation. This is recommended that you might go to current load balancer. Current in the sense this one.
This one. Mm-hmm.
We are trying with the old. Let me check again. This is also good experience, right? So we thoroughly used to use this earlier, but now it is, they will remove. It's very soon. Load balancers. Load balancer 2, it's still provisioning. When it is active only, the status showing provisioning. Now it works, I guess. This also will take time, I know. Active. Let us come down, load balancer, copy this and paste here. Oh my goodness, where is load balancer? Yeah, let me take load balancer DNS name from here. Which one? 2, right? I'll take from here. Okay, that's fine.
Yep. Hopefully this time comes. If not, then I have to leave Lokesh. Okay. I have to make my kids get ready for school.
No, yeah. I too, because I also hurry. So
You
next
also have a
I
class, I guess.
shared with you that. Okay, this it won't come. Then we'll check. Okay, no problem. So you try, okay, with the same steps.
Yeah, I will try it. Yeah. Basically, you need to open 2 servers and then have one instance.
Yeah.
And then make sure open their load balancer and try. Okay, I will try that.
Yeah. One
Let's see.
second. This is last attempt. So let us try in different browsers. Okay, it's not working. And edge, I'll go to edge there. Okay, that's fine. Let's wind up. Okay.
Okay.
So you just try with all this, nothing else. Only I don't know. I need to find out what exactly why it is not getting. So let us again discuss. And however, this is not finished yet, and still auto scaling is pending. Okay, at that time we can discuss about this. Okay. Okay.
Sure,
thank you.
sure.
Thank you.
But it's I mean,
yep.
It's okay. I mean, sometimes to troubleshoot.
Yeah. But just check actually. I also check. I'll not leave this. Once after finishing all my classes, I will sit for this. Okay.
Okay, sure. No problem.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
Sultana.
you.
Go ahead.
No problem.
Take care. Bye.